Hi guys, welcome back from what's so-called the spring break. How's everybody's doing? I miss you guys so much. Yesterday I went out on a bike ride and I took some photos of the flowers I saw along the way. Aren't they so cute? And one good news is that my basil is sprouting and it's growing nice and strong. What has everybody been doing? Let me know in the comment down below. Um, just to remind you of some expectations since we haven't seen each other for so long. Make sure you watch the videos and take notes. You can watch the video as many times as needed. Make sure you understand the content before completing all assignments. Make sure that they're correct because they're going straight into your grades. I attached some additional resources and with the lesson, so make sure that you're looking at them if you have any more questions, and you're going to, if you submitted the assignment and you found out that you're not scoring as high as you wanted, you might want to review the feedback, which I provide daily. So make sure you look at the feedback and reattempt again. You can redo the assignments as many times as you need it until you're satisfied with your results. You have already finished the warm-up, so I'm just going to jump straight into the lesson. Today we are going to identify parts of a circle. So first we are going to identify the center and the radius of a circle. These are circles, obviously, and usually you can use a compass to draw a circle. Notice that all points on the circle are the same distance from the center. So in this case, O is the center of the circle. OP is the radius of a circle. OQ and OR are also radii of the circle. Now, radii is just a plural form of radius. So you can see that every time when you use a compass to draw a circle, the distance between a point in the middle and a point on the circle the distance between those 2 points will be the same throughout. So we can also say that the length of OP is equivalent to OQ and OR. A radius is a line segment connecting the center and the point on the circle. So that's a formal definition of a radius. Now, another term that we're going to learn today is the diameter. Diameter is the line segments that pass through the center and connect to points of the circle. So in this example, this circle below, O is the center. The line segment PQ and RS pass through the center O. PQ is the diameter of the circle. RS is also a diameter of the circle. However, TU is not a diameter of this circle because it did not pass through the center of the circle, or O. Again, TU is not a diameter of this circle because it did not pass through the center. So a diameter of a circle is a line segment that connects 2 points on the circle and passes through its center. Now, all diameters of a given circle have the same length. So even though I would draw 3 other diameters that connects 2 points on the circle and pass through the center, no matter how many diameters I'm going to draw, the length of all these diameters will be the same. Now, OP, OQ, OR, and OS are radii of this circle. Remember, radii are plural form of radius. So these are all radius, radii of the circle. Now, because we learned from the previous slide that all the radius of the circle are the same length, so we can say that OP is equal to OQ, equals to OR, and equals to OS. Now, because PQ is 2 times of OP, because remember that OP and OQ are the same length. We can use this formula to find the diameter of a circle. So if we know the radius, we can say that the diameter is 2 times the radius. Or if we know the diameters and we want to find the radius, you can say that the radius is diameter divided by 2, because the radius is half of the diameter. Does that make sense? Let me repeat myself one more time. Because all these radius or these radii are the same length, so PQ would be equivalent to OP times 2, because OP is the same length as OQ. PQ can also be equivalent to 2 times OQ, or 2 times OR, or 2 times OS, because all these radii are the same length. So we can conclude that a diameter is equivalent to 2 times the length of the radius, and the length of the radius is equivalent to the length of the diameter divided by 2. So you're going to move on to the task. Task number 1 in the figure. O is the center of the circle with A, B, C, D, and D, E, E, D as shown. You're going to name all the diameters that are drawn in the circle, and you're going to answer which line segment that joins 2 points on the circle is not a diameter. Explain why. If you need to go back and refresh your memory, that is fine. And then you're going to answer these 2 questions, and I will see you in just a moment.